Hurricane season starts in 18 days. Stay with me. The last number in this video is going to shock you. Only 5% of homes in America have a full emergency kit. 20% have absolutely zero emergency supplies. Zero. Here's the good news. You don't need a bunker. You don't need thousands of dollars. You don't need a storage room. You need three things and they all fit in one closet. Water for your family. Food that doesn't need a fridge. And a way to keep your lights on when the grid goes down. 95% of your neighborhood hasn't done this. You're watching this for a reason. Comment PREP right now. I'll send you the exact checklist. Hurricane season doesn't wait.